happy faces say it all. Rewarding someone for a job well done can help inspire performance, improve morale, build loyalty, and make them feel appreciated. When was the last time you really thanked your employees, made them feel valued, or encouraged them to go the extra mile? Whether you have a staff of 1 or 100, it's important to take care of the people responsible for your company's success. With over 400,000 gifts redeemed annually and nearly 40 years in the business, the Ribbon Gift and Incentive Program is a thoughtful way to reward your workforce. Plus, it's the perfect solution to client gifts. Designed to appeal to a broad audience, this program has many benefits. Recognizing outstanding employee performance with the Ribbon program can naturally raise company morale. Using Ribbon for rewards and incentives can help inspire performance, and engaged employees are more productive, which adds to your bottom line. Most importantly, the Ribbon program can help you build stronger business relationships. Here's how it works. Your gift consultant will help determine which Ribbon gift collections are most appropriate for your needs. And the variety of collections ensures that you'll find just the right ones to fit your budget. We've done the shopping for you and stocked each collection with up to 40 high-quality and brand-name selections. Your employees and customers will be delighted with the choices, including electronics, small appliances, jewelry, housewares, tools, fashions, and more. Giving Ribbon is easy. Simply present your employee or customer with a gift collection. Each one is wrapped in a beautiful envelope. Unlike traditional gift cards, no dollar value appears on the card, allowing you to maintain discretion among multiple gift recipients. Now comes the tough part. Decisions. Once your gift recipient looks through the collection, they will pore over every page, show their family, friends, and coworkers, and have fun deciding which item to choose. But there's no rush. Ribbon gift cards never expire or lose value. Gift recipients can browse their collection and select their gift online at myribbongift.com. Most orders arrive within 3 to 7 business days, and if you or the recipient are not satisfied for any reason, you both have 180 days to make a return or exchange. For employees and customers, the Ribbon Gift and Incentive Program is fast, fun, and easy. And for you, important business relationships are taken care of with a flexible, streamlined program and the personal touch of a Ribbon gift consultant. Be smart. Keep your employees and customers happy and engaged. Invest in your company today and contact your Ribbon gift consultant.